How to say, can you speak more slowly in Greek? Can you speak more slowly? Μπορείτε να μιλήσετε πιο αργά. Can you speak more slowly? Μπορείτε να μιλήσετε πιο αργά. Now you try. That was the formal version. Perhaps you want to use the informal. And this is how. Μπορείς να μιλάς πιο αργά. Can you speak more slowly? Μπορείς να μιλάς πιο αργά. Now you try. You can also say, I can't understand you. Δεν σε καταλαβαίνω. I can't understand you. Δεν σε καταλαβαίνω. Now you try. You can also say, you're talking too fast for me. Μιλάτε πολύ γρήγορα. You're talking too fast for me. Μιλάτε πολύ γρήγορα. Now you try. That was the formal version. Perhaps you want to use the informal version. This is how. Μιλάς πολύ γρήγορα. You're talking too fast for me. Μιλάς πολύ γρήγορα. You're talking too fast for me. Now you try. And that's how to say, can you speak more slowly in Greek?